Strand.
بچه‌های خیلی جالب بود، نشد فیلم بگیرم. وایساده بود اونجا یه دفعه افتاد.
Happy?
Yeah,
Excited?
yeah. Go bus. Bus going on.
Yeah.
Alright, let's kick it off with the road that we are about to turn down onto. We are turning down onto a road called the Strand. Now, we call this road the Strand as it comes from the Old English word stranda, which means beach or to be stranded. Now, we call this the Strand as this is where all the land in Liverpool originally would have stopped. This is Liverpool's original beach, so everything that you can see out to the left-hand side here is built on reclaimed land. Now, this is acted as Canning Dock instead. Taking our eyes to the front right of the vehicle, we can see this streaky bacon looking building here. Can we all see that? Yep. If you can't, don't worry, it'll be on your left-hand side in just a few moments. Now, 1963, meaning they played there up to 3 times a day sometimes. So if you're a die-hard Beatles fan, that was the place to be. As you can see them for your breakfast, they are not currently on display. As we carry travelling on down this road, if I can ask you to look to your left and to your right, on our left is going to be the Dixie Dean, our Everton football themed hotel here in Liverpool, and on the right will be the Shankly, our Liverpool football themed hotel here in Liverpool. Now, first of all, church. My goodness, aren't you lucky the roof is down today? Woo! Here is the largest cathedral in the UK, and it's the night and we're going to go flying off into the water. Do you think you can do that?
Yes.
Good. So now we got up to 80 miles an hour earlier. I want to get to 90, so that is our goal.
We can't swim.
That suits me.
Alright, baby, are we ready? Perfect. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Amazing. 3, 2, 1. And we have splashdown, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, guys. Did we all get wet? This has been by my side the entire time. I've told you all lots and lots of lovely jokes, and I've not appreciated some of the laughter I've been getting back. So, what's going to happen is the next time I tell a joke, I want belly laughters, otherwise the water gun is coming back out. Is that understood?
Yes.
Thank you. Really forgot you did not read the small print. Alright, don't worry, you can borrow bibbies. It is, however, wash day, so I recommend not touching those. There you are, Bibby, have those back. The other side of the road for the Salt House Refinery, and then the other being 1980 when it was moved to this side of the road. Now, salt beverages or refrigerators, so what they used to do instead is cover their food in salt and this would preserve it. And load, for example, the Salt House dock being salt, the Wapping dock being bananas, that kind of thing. So what this meant is if you were carrying several bits of cargo, you would come into one dock and to the next dock to unload your next bit of cargo. This process can take up to 72 hours. Now, when you've got Spain on the phone asking for their next delivery of salt, it's not very practical. So, just the artfully created 3 Graces. Now closest towards us is the port of Liverpool. The building in the middle is the cube. Liverpool would have done much as people couldn't breathe. They still wouldn't have known where they were. So instead he wanted an eagle to be the code of part of Liverpool. Now how many eagles have you guys seen flying around here lately? Yeah, not many. So when he called in his royal painter and asked him to paint an eagle, he had a bit of a panic because he'd never seen an eagle in his life. So he went home, he called in a friend who he thought had seen an eagle, and he said, I need your help. And his friend said, yes, of course, don't worry. So his friend said, take a cormorant. Now it might still be there as we pass back through and consult our stock. To wake me up. But it was the bird diving down catching the fish. That's a cormorant. So he said, take that. So he said, okay. He said, alright, make the feet a bit bigger. So he made the feet a bit bigger. He said, alright, make the beak a bit smaller. So we made the beak a bit smaller. He said, give it a few more feathers. So we gave it a few more feathers. By this point, 3 weeks had passed and the painting was due back with the king. Now, we like to say that King John liked his painting, and we now have our live birds, and they can be found all over the city. So there you go. A live bird is a mix between a cormorant and an eagle. Now, we know where our live birds are. If you would like to try scouts, however, I will recommend Cafe Tobacco at the top of Bold Street, or Marboyles, which is just along the Strand here. Now, I've mentioned a lot about our maritime trading and how successful we were as a city, but what happened? Why are the docks so quiet? What happened? Well, as the demand for cargo increased, the boats got a lot bigger, they got a lot deeper, and these docks could not facilitate cargo. So they essentially guess which one Bibby's favourite joke is. And because of that, Bibby, I'm saying it again. They called it the tapestry! They laughed Bibby at staying in. The things with the head of a lamb and the back end of a banana. Yeah. So they are here to commemorate what we were most popular for during our maritime trading, and that was wool and bananas, hence the lamb and the banana. Now, the banana in Liverpool is actually where the global price was actually set. Very random, but there we are. Now, if you don't know what I'm on about and you would like to see a lamb banana, if you walk down this strip here, once you get to the multicoloured rocks stacked on top of each other, turn to your right and go towards the Museum of Liverpool, and you'll see about 4 of them standing outside. They're pretty cool looking. They're a little bit weird, but I love them. Why not? Now we are about to head back up onto the slipway, everybody, which means we have reached the end of our tour here at Splashdown. I would like to start by saying thank you all very, very much for deciding to tour with us today. We really do appreciate it, and we hope that you've had a lovely time. If you have had a lovely time, there will be a metal bucket at the bottom of the stairs for a monetary contribution for myself and Bibby. I say monetary, someone didn't like us one time and left a contribution of another kind. I won't get into that. If, however, you would like to leave something else really lovely, TripAdvisor review, just let us know that you did enjoy it and that we are doing our job correctly. If you have enjoyed the tour, my name has been Ella and behind me has been Bibby. If you haven't, I've been Paul and he's been Ringo. We hope you have a lovely rest of your day here in Liverpool, everybody, and we hope to see you again very soon. Thank you.